Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a hot topic in men's health: CBD oil for erectile dysfunction. Yep, we're talking about CBD and how it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. So let's get into it. First off, what are cannabinoids? Cannabinoids are chemical compounds found in the cannabis plant. You've probably heard of THC, the component that gets you high, but there's also CBD, the non-psychoactive counterpart. Our bodies produce similar molecules called endocannabinoids, which help regulate things like immune response and inflammation. Now, is CBD oil considered medicine? It's a bit of a grey area. While CBD has shown promise for treating pain and psychological conditions, it's not yet fully backed by clinical data, but that hasn't stopped people from using it. CBD oil is lauded for its potential benefits without the high, making it a popular choice. So how does CBD affect your libido? Here's the deal. Psychological factors play a big role in sexual function. Anxiety and stress can be major mood killers. CBD oil has been studied for its effects on anxiety and depression, and the results are promising. Some surveys even suggest that cannabis users report increased libido. But remember, the evidence is still mixed. Can CBD help with erectile dysfunction? ED can be caused by both psychological and physical factors. Performance anxiety is common and can really mess with your head. CBD's potential to reduce anxiety might help you relax and perform better. Research in rats has shown CBD's antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects, and trials in humans are ongoing. When it comes to types of CBD oil, you've got options. Full-spectrum CBD contains all the compounds of the cannabis plant, including a tiny amount of THC. Broad-spectrum CBD has most of these compounds, but no THC. Then there's CBD isolate, which is pure CBD. Your choice depends on your preference and how your body reacts to each type. So, how do you use CBD oil for ED? Start with a small dose and see how your body responds. You can take it sublingually, that's under the tongue, or mix it into your food or drink. Consistency is key, so stick with it and give it some time to see if it works for you. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. While CBD oil has potential, it's crucial to use it safely. Thanks for tuning in and stay healthy.